Welcome to our channel. If you need to access FEMA disaster assistance quickly after an emergency, follow these step-by-step instructions to get the help you need during a difficult time. Step 1. Ensure you're in a safe location with access to a phone or internet connection. Your safety is the priority before applying for assistance. Step 2. Visit the official FEMA website at disasterassistance.gov or call the FEMA helpline at 1-800-6-213-362. Make sure you're using the official channels to avoid scams. Step 3. Create an account or log in if you already have one. You'll need to provide basic personal information to register. Step 4. Start your application by providing details about the disaster that affected you, including the date and location of the incident. Step 5. Provide information about your household members, your current address, and the address of the damaged property, if different. Step 6. Describe the damage to your property and list any immediate needs, such as temporary housing, medical expenses, or personal property losses. Step 7. Upload supporting documentation such as photos of damage, insurance policies, and identification documents to strengthen your application. Step 8. Submit your application and note your FEMA registration number. You'll receive updates via phone, email, or mail about your application status and any approved assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.